Good morning. We are out here at Hideout Hollow and we're going to hike a 2-mile hike. It's got 341 miles. I am not awake. 341 feet of elevation gain. So let's go. It is actually pretty chilly this morning, which is kind of unusual for this time of the year. But I'm loving it because I will warm up really quickly. Look, it's a path into the woods. Waiting for my better half. I hope this is it. I guess I should check the map, but I'm pretty sure this is it. Look how cute this is. Oh my goodness, it just kind of winds through. It's adorable. Oop, I see a blowdown. So the trail has gotten fairly rocky fairly quickly, and have to be very careful because the rocks move. It's not like we're stepping on them and they're not going anywhere. Wow, this is cute. We're coming up on a stream here. Look. It's adorable. Trying to find the best way down here. Oh, look. Oh, look at, there's a waterfall back there. We are at another water crossing. Look, so cute. I think we can rock hop this one as well. This trail has been down and then up and down and up. So it's kind of cool. We're not going to get all the elevation at once. Blow down. We have to go back across the water, I guess on these logs. Don't fall in. I'm watching him go because then I'll know how to do it. That doesn't look too hard. Okay. Pray for me. So, I've talked about this briefly before, but I walk on parking blocks all the time and curbs, and that is for balance, and that helped greatly right here, and my pulse. Some of this trail is super cruisy, like no problem, and a lot of it has rocks. You have to really pick and choose and be careful, but this part right here is nice, very easy. Just the roots, yeah. Wow, look at this. We're up on some big rocks. I wonder how we walked over here. Look. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, look at this. Wow. I can't walk out there. I'm still so nervous about heights. He's right on the edge. It's making my knees weak. But we can hear water, so I think we're getting close to the waterfall. Look at this. It's amazing. I wonder what it looks like in fall. Can you imagine the fall colors? We'll have to come back. We'll have to come back and do this in the fall. I guess we have to go across this, which I don't think is terribly hard. It's probably slippery, though. The water's running. Oh, okay. This is all rock. Don't do stupid shit, right? Well, it wasn't water. I wonder what's in there. Rocks.
Yeah, and a stick that's holding it up.
And spiders, because there's a spider web on the front of it. That's a good place for the spiders, though. We don't have to walk through it. In the end, it turns out closer to the edge than I would have thought. But there's a waterfall right there. Now I need to go this way, and there's more water. It's making me nervous that these rocks are slippery, but so far, so good. Wow. This is so cute. Look at that. Wow. And this is the end of it. The biggest of the waterfalls. Look at that. Wow.
It's not the longest though.
It's a particularly cruisy section of the trail. So I'll tell you, I think that we are too early for the flowers to be open, if there are any flowers out here. I mean, we saw those ones when we first started. Maybe I didn't even video them. And I've seen some that don't quite look like they're open yet. And so I'm wondering if that's just it. We're just too early. That's okay. So cool back here. We haven't found any quicksand either. Hopping and puffing, climbing out of the hole. I find this stuff a lot easier to climb up than to go down, for whatever reason. We are finished and that was so awesome. We are going to now go to Page Falls and Broad Hollow Falls, I think. It's a really short hike, kind of close to the road, maybe 10 minutes. So, taking you there next. We are here, but we are not alone. There are other people here. So, not gonna do too much video probably because I don't want them in my video. There's the first one, but this is not our ultimate destination. It's a cute little path in the woods, look at that. So that was really cool, but we cut it short because those people were right there with us. And there was another bigger waterfall, but we couldn't get to it without climbing up this kind of hairy, kind of scary thing. And I don't want to do that in front of other people. I want to freak out with David, call out to Jesus on my own. Anyway, we'll come back here because it's really cool. But yeah, that was fun. Thanks for coming along with me. I will see you next time.